Okay, so say we wanted to implement a 2-to-1 multiplexer. Okay, so we need to know what our inputs are going to be. So we know our output, it's W1 naught, W3 naught, plus W1, W2, plus W1, W3. But we want to find out what our input should be. So we'll choose uh use W1 as for our expansion. So we're gonna use W1 as our selector. So we're going to quickly use Shannon's rule. All right, so we have to find out what values are going to be here. It's going to be some form of this value. So for this portion, we're going to set W1 to be 1 and W1 naught to be 0. So that means this portion of the circuit is gone. Sorry, of the equation is gone. This is just 1 and this is 1. So it's just W2 plus W3. So that's what we're going to include in here. W2 plus W3. Now, for this part, we actually just do the other way around. We do W1 naught to be 1 and W1 to be 0. So this is just 1. This is 0. This is 0. So it's just W3 naught. So we will just draw the circuit, sorry, the multiplexer, with W1 being our selector. So W3 naught is entering this portion, and then W2 plus W3 is entering here. Okay, and then we can use like gates to represent this. So for example, we can do an OR gate. So we have W2 and W3 entering here. Then we do like a NOT of this and have it enter from here. So that's one way we can do it. And say I instead want to do I want to include a 4-to-1 multiplexer. So I need to have 2 selectors and then 4 input. How will I do that? So you have to use Shannon's rule again. So this is all. This one's for like see how we have 2 selectors here. We're gonna need to have another set of selectors. So this is what we're gonna do. So we're going to do the following. So we're going to choose W1 and W2 to be our selectors. So we're going to take our original equation and do the following. So W1, W2 plus W1, W2 naught plus W1 naught, W2 plus, wait, hold on, plus W1 naught, W2 naught. Okay, so let's take our equation. Okay, so W1 will be 1 and W1 naught will be 0, and same with W2. Okay, so this is gone. This is just 1 plus W3. So it's just going to be 1. So we're just going to put a 1 here. Next. So W1 is 1 and W1 naught is 0. W2 naught is 1 and W2 is 0. So this is gone. This is gone. So it's just W3. Now, next one. W1 naught is 1 and W1 is 0. W2 is 1. W2 naught is 0. So let's see. This is gone. This is also gone. This is 1. So it's just W3 naught. And now we just have the last one. So W1 naught is 1, and W1 is 0. W2 naught is 1, W2 is 0. So what do we see? This is gone, this is gone. So it's just W3 naught again. Okay, so we have selectors here, W1 and then W2. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. Okay, so we see the 0, 0, 1, which is this one. W3 naught is entering it. For 0, 1, which will be this one, W3 naught is also entering that one. Okay, so the next one, 1, 0, which is this one, W3 is entering, and 1, 1, it's only 1 entering. Okay, and that's our output. We can also rewrite this as the following. Hold on. So we can just have a singular W3, and then it gets knotted here, and like do it like that, and that's also fine.